Hi you guys, it's me being Tori. I'm out here in my garden, and you guys, if you guys follow me and watch my videos or see my posts, I always like to stop and say give thanks to God for what you got and just appreciate what you got. So I'm out here in my garden, and if you guys know, I appreciate my flowers. I personally, if you know me, like I always try to give thanks, especially since, not especially, how can I say, really like since like my medical journeys, I've like, you know, give thanks every single day for waking up, being able to move, be able to lift something, be able to walk a certain distance, everything I give thanks. But I'm out here because I was noticing, like you guys know me, I love my garden and I love my cat, and I was like out here, I was like, you know what, Tori, you need to do some cleaning up on your garden. It's like, to me personally, it's like, yeah, I'm giving thanks for my garden, but I also want to show, like, to appreciate my garden, to show it some love. I was like, this garden needs, my patio garden needs a little TLC for me. So I said, I need to stop. You know, I've been like, you know, planning and deadheading and stuff. I said, I need to, like, you know, I need to clean up my garden a little bit. I'm hoping I'm making sense, you guys. Like, you know, just stop and clean up the garden. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me to clean up my garden, and I hope this maybe inspires you. You know, maybe you're like something in your house or something in your life, you're like, I appreciate it, but I need to show it a little more TLC and give it some more love, you know, like. So I'm just gonna clean up my garden and get to it. So I want you guys to come along with me and help me, not help me, so I want you guys to come along with me as I clean up my patio garden and show it some extra TLC, get some thanks, and appreciate what I got. I got random things here, like seriously? Maybe in the trash can. Pick up some trash here and there. This is the vase, the flower that I made, so make sure you check out that other video. Okay guys, let's get to cleaning and straightening up my patio garden. I appreciate it. It's going to be trash. Hey guys, if you made it this far, I want to say thank you so much for continuing watching my video. I'm curious to hear about you. Comment down below and tell me, do you have something on your to-do list that you want to show some extra TLC? Maybe it could be yourself, take yourself out to a spa day, or something in your home, maybe a loved one. Comment down below. I would love to know and hear from you. Okay, so I put this little corner here, Cupcake's favorite spot where her rug goes. So now we're gonna put the rug back. There's the rug back here. Little black spots there. So, but the sweat looks better than before. Here I am throwing some things away. Some things that are old, some things I'm not using no more. Like these gloves. They were great, but somehow they got sticky. Throw those over there. Glove, trash. Why was I keeping this? Trash. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I did a lot of sweeping, a lot of picking up. The sun is coming and going. I mentioned earlier, I wish I had picked like the day where the soil was dry, but I was like, I gotta do this, so I did it. I think I did a pretty good job. I think I say, if I could estimate, I think I say I did about 65%. I'm gonna give myself 70% improvement of what it looked like before. So you guys, now it's time for me to like put the pots back and everything, and you know, cupcakes toys are all over the patio, so that's nothing new. But now it's time for me to calm down a little bit because it's getting sunny, and I'm sure I got some cardio and some steps in, and so I'm just like, you know, I was like, I gotta like just appreciate the garden. So that means I gotta take care of more. I take care of the flowers, but I was like, Tori, you need to do some sweeping on this garden. That's what you need to do. And so now it's time for me to put some of the things back in its place, or maybe do some rearrangement and make sure I get some water and get some hydration in me. Okay, so continue watching. So here we are a little before, I mean, not before. So here we are with a little after. I think I did pretty good on the ground. I got that major spot out. You know, the big pile here. Because I was trying to beat the sun, so, and I was like so anxious to do it, like so motivated to do it, but because it would have been easier to clean up the soil. But I think I did a pretty good job. I'm good, you know, and we still got cupcakes toys. Water spots here and there, but there's a trash pile there. I think it looks better. Main thing is I got rid of that dirt. I tidied up this a little bit. Plants are still here, waiting for it to harvest this sunflower. So yeah, a little after. And I almost tripped over my tripod. I'm okay. And backed up into the chair. There we go. Giving thanks on the daily. What this says right here, when I'm out in the garden, I like to just think of my loved ones that are no longer with us, and I think it has beautiful words, and just listen to the birds chirp and give thanks to God on a daily. So that is it for me for today. I am done cleaning up, straightening up my garden. I hope you guys find some inspiration maybe to get motivated to move and clean up something in your life, like, you know, your home, you know, get some steps moving, feel the sun, be motivated to do something. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, comment, subscribe, positive vibes, and you know what, keep on growing. Thanks for watching. Bye. I believe